Right, just a quick one. So this is a Laser Tools ratchet I bought, and it is skipping teeth. But like any good manufacturer, I need to find the right bit, but they do sell repair kits. Thought it was the wrong one, but it just wasn't tight. So take that little screw out. I'm going to have to give you the reach around here because kind of in front of the vise. So now that will come out. Not sure if I want to take it out yet. Oh, yeah. So that's that screw. Now, theoretically, I undo this screw, like that. So I take that one out. So I'm aware where the screws go. The interesting part will be how easy this is to put back together. So I'm going to rotate it again, holding it together-ish, so we don't want it to fall apart, because we need to know where things go. So that does indeed come out. Now I want that plate off first. Okay. And there's the poles inside with the little springs behind them, and the ratchet. So they're both engaged right now. So if we take the old one of those back, hold it together, stick all that back in there. There we go. Now we can see it all work. Now the only reason I wanted to do that is because I wanted to know which way around everything went. Because there's nothing worse than taking something apart and then not knowing how you're supposed to get it back together. So we know that that comes out like that. Now if we push that up, I'm going to guess that falls like that. How's that look? Oh yeah, you can see some problems there. That goes over there, then that leaves, well, they're actually slotted in as well, so that leaves that spring, that pole goes that way, starting to see what went wrong. That spring looks like it's crushed as well. And ironically, it looks like it was the head that gave up. So now what we need to do is clean that out. A bit of brake cleaner. Get me, you and everybody else in the eye with it. So there we go, one empty ratchet head, ready for the new internals. Now, this is our new, as you can see, it's got nice sharp teeth on it. That goes in there like that. Okay. Now, we have two springs here, which I'm currently trying to become one. Going to get shouty. Trying to unwind these springs without them pinging off across the room. Possible, but highly there we go. That's those. So these poles go in like that. So that one goes in like that. Let's get a new one. that one goes in like that. Now I need to get this spring compressed and down behind the pole. That's going to be the fun part. Ooh. No, there's one. Sin. There's t'other. Pick and so just move those across a bit. So they're sat more. I appreciate you can't see that well, but it does. This is slightly awkward for both of us to be able to see, so I am trying. Now we take our new lever and we insert that in the back, holding everything together, hopefully. Yeah. Well, that does appear to work. Then we take our new gear plate. There is a way up for that because it's got a little recess in there for the screw. We also get two new screws for the back of the ratchet. Threading, yep. So the other screw on that side. Like that. Now we take there, that tiny screw, and then that goes in. Hopefully it does up. She's going. I see, so that can't be much more than nipped because it affects the ratchet mechanism. Now we just need to nip those up. They weren't tight before. I'm going to make sure they are this time. That's it, perfect. Just a test. Just clamped it in the vise. That appears wonderful. And that's it. £12. What? 10 minutes. And one rebuilt long-handled ratchet ready to be broken again. So let's just have a quick look and see if we can actually see what was. I think it was actually this that wasn't hard enough, because you can see damage there on those teeth. Look, it's folded over. Although it jumped all the way around, so I'm going to guess it must have damaged one of these poles as well. Oh, look, there as well. So take a stab in the dark. Yeah, it's damaged both sides. Just damaged that side. That side's okay, but then the forwards was okay. It was only the reverse that was the problem. So there we go. How to rebuild a laser ratchet. Quick and simple. Thanks for watching.